Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Wikipedia dumps for knowledge graph projects, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Wikipedia dumps for knowledge graph projects, start by accessing the official Wikipedia dumps page. Open your web browser and navigate to dumps.wikimedia.org. On the dumps page, you will find a list of different Wikimedia projects. Select the specific language version of Wikipedia that you want to download. For example, to download the English version, click on the InWiki folder. Inside the InWiki folder, locate the directory for the latest dump. This directory will include a timestamp indicating when the last dump was created. Click on the latest timestamped folder link to access its contents. Look for the files with the extensions .xml.bz2 or .sqlite. The .xml.bz2 files contain full Wikipedia page texts, while .sqlite, choose the file format that best suits your knowledge graph needs. To start the download, simply click on the appropriate file link. Your browser will begin downloading the file to your local machine. The time it takes to download will depend on your internet speed and the file size. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. You may need to extract the downloaded .bz2 files using a file extraction tool. After extraction, you will have access to the raw Wikipedia content. If you downloaded a .sqlite file, you can open it using a database manager. This will allow you to query the structured data for your knowledge graph project. Now you are ready to manipulate and analyze the downloaded data for your project. Remember to check Wikipedia's terms of use and licensing before using the data. By following these steps, you will successfully download Wikipedia dumps for your knowledge graph projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.